What we're going to do is first equal the whole formula to 0, as we can see here. And now what we're going to do is try to leave the x squared alone, so by itself. So we're going to have to divide everything over a. Then what we're going to do is take this part of the equation to the other side. So we're going to have to change the sign. Here we have a positive c over a, and now we're going to put it minus c over a, as you can see here. Here it goes a little bit more complicated because in order for us to factor the whole equation, we are going to use this term, that is b over 2a, and the whole thing to the power of 2. Now, as you can see, if we add this term to one side of the equation, we also have to add it in the other side. As you can see here, we took this part over here and we just added the other. We have a perfect square trinomial in this side. We can factor it and we would have these results. And here we can also solve this part of the equation, as you can see here. Well, now that we are left with this equation, what we're going to do is first take this part and start solving it. As you can see, you are adding here two terms, so that's what we're going to do. As you can see here, we already add them, and now I'm going to factor it because if you can see, all the terms have an a, so I took the a out and the parentheses, the whole and kept solving. Now we can delete 1a and this a, and we are left with this equation: minus 4ac plus b squared over 4a squared. You need to remember that we're still missing to use this side of the equation. So what we're going to do is put it down here, and now we're going to add the square roots in both sides of the equation. But if you pay attention, we have these terms to the power of 2, but also with the square root, so you can do it completely. And in this side, it's going to end up like this, plus or minus, because we have a minus 4, and if you remember, you cannot have the root of minus 4, the square root of minus 4. So we're going to have plus and minus, and as we take it out, we're just left with these terms. We're just missing one little step, that is to take from this side of the equation to the other side, the plus b over 2a. So we just take it it changes signs as we remember, and it's minus b, and so both of them are dividing over 2a, so it doesn't affect anything. And now this is how we get from a simple equation to the general formula.